Hello.
Hi guys, what's up? How's it going?
So today is the day we are
Yeah,
talking
so
after a while.
first of all, we apologize for not putting out an episode last week because my brother was in Bhopal and unfortunately we could not work out the video video link that we could have used because he was extremely busy with some work that had come up, and we thought that once the dust settles, we'll discuss the bonanza that was around the Ambani wedding, and we will also discuss two sides to it. One side would be a little critical of the extravagance and of the money that was spent, and the other side would also discuss the mini economy that the whole
The wedding
wedding
generates.
the wedding
Yeah.
generated and how many people it basically employed, and we'll come to that discussion eventually. So Raj, what do you think about the wedding?
I think the wedding was definitely a major PR stunt. Even they will not deny it.
Okay.
I'm not even saying this as a criticism.
Yeah.
उनको attention चाहिए थी.
Okay.
They definitely wanted attention.
Hmm.
I think the Ambanis are very comfortable with the knowledge that everybody knows them, identifies them, and places them as like the wealthiest, most powerful family in the country.
Yeah.
I think they want to sort of leave a global imprint, which they sort of already have.
Yeah, वो
But
बोरिस जॉनसन पहुंच गया था, टोनी ब्लेयर पहुंच गया था, द वॉर क्रिमिनल.
हाँ,
टोनी ब्लेयर द वॉर क्रिमिनल वाज देयर.
matlab clearly the family loves attention.
Yeah.
Like they really love to make a public
Yeah.
spectacle out of a wedding.
Yeah.
Because I mean, to be fair, you have so much media, so many actors, a lot
Yeah.
of them who probably don't even know your family well,
Yeah.
just dancing around at the wedding because you want to create a hype out of it. It was like a Bombay, rich Bombay Lollapalooza of celebrities.
Absolutely. Drug fueled, MDMA fueled. There was this guy in red sherwani which was going absolutely bad shit.
Who was going absolutely?
That this guy was wearing a red sherwani and he was dancing with Ranveer Kapoor.
हाँ और
रणवीर सिंह.
उस रेड
भाई वो
शेरवानी
कैसे
पे
नाच रहा था
पीछे
भाई वो
उस
बंदा.
पे पीछे कुछ अनंत की शादी या मेरे भाई की
भाई
शादी कुछ
कैसा
ऐसा लिखा हुआ था.
मतलब
Yeah, from what I understand about this wedding
Yeah.
is that there was a lot of spectacle creation out of
Yeah.
it. I think their PR teams did a decent job.
Hmm.
Why do you need to have Kim Kardashian under the same roof as John Cena,
Yeah.
under the same roof as Justin Bieber, under the same roof as
Narendra
Boris
Modi.
Johnson, Narendra Modi, and like 20, 30 other politicians in India? It's because you can.
बुला सकते हैं.
A lot of the wedding was Mr. Ambani and his wife saying we're doing this because we can do it.
अच्छा.
And
बट वो लाल वाला बंदा बहुत ही अजीब था यार. क्यों कर रहा था वो
लाल शेरवानी वाला.
लाल शेरवानी? वो भाई, ओ नहीं भाई, आई थिंक दैट गाय इज रिलेटेड टू सुशील कुमार शिंदे.
Is he, dude, I don't want to get into who's
नेम्स बट
related
हाँ
to
हाँ,
who.
बट वो आई थिंक वो सेम फैमिली का है
मैं
भाई.
पता है मैं स्टार किड्स और बॉलीवुड वगैरह से
बट ये तो पॉलिटिशियन का बच्चा है ना.
आई थिंक महाराष्ट्र में लाइन ब्लर्ड है.
थोड़ा उधर. हाँ.
पॉलिटिशियन और ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड की लाइंस महाराष्ट्र में ब्लर्ड है.
हम्म.
यू हैव दैट एक्ट्रेस द ग्रैंड डॉटर ऑफ द एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर.
तरस नहीं आया तुझको, तरस नहीं आया तुझको.
मुझे मुझे लगता है कि मैं अब इन लोगों की नाम और इन लोगों की फैमिली ट्रीज याद करने लगूंगा तो मैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहा हूँ इन लोगों को.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो
और भाई मैं सब, एक तो सब सेम दिखते हैं, सबकी हाइट सेम है, सबके बाल सेम है, सबका प्लास्टिक सर्जन सेम है, सबकी नाकें सेम है, सबकी दाढ़ियां सेम है, सबके जूते सेम है, मेरे को सब सेम दिखते हैं.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
वो भी है. कोई ओरिजिनलिटी तो अब रह नहीं गई है और मैं ये
Yeah.
नहीं कह रहा कि बॉम्बे में नहीं रह गई है, कहीं नहीं रह गई.
ना, दिल्ली का भी सेम सीन है.
हाँ, what I want to say in addition to that is that I am in part very critical of how the wedding was done,
Yeah,
but a big part of me understands it also.
of course.
The
So-
wedding industry in India is an industry. Sorry, I'm cutting you
Yeah,
off.
yeah.
The wedding industry is an industry, and the existence of an industry implies existence of businesses. The existence of businesses implies that it's a competitively run, job generating, revenue generating operation. So if the Ambanis were spending money on a big wedding, that money is going somewhere and it's trickling down in the salaries and the staff and the health benefits or the insurance of like hundreds of staff of these wedding planners and these
Mhm.
businessmen. So in a way, I support fiscal stimuli even from the side, fiscal is the wrong word, but economic stimuli from the side of like
I totally
the
understand that.
consumers in this wedding world. But I'll finish up.
Yeah.
Sorry to cut you off again. I also really dislike the fact that it was done over a very long period.
Yeah.
It was done very tastelessly, and
Absolutely.
it was done with. Uh, After a point, it was just a muscle flexing move. Like,
Absolutely.
I love the fact that you have muscles to flex. Just do it stylishly, man.
And don't
No,
broadcast it so much, in my
yeah.
opinion. पैसे
Nobody
खर्च
is.
करो बट पूरी
हाँ.
दुनिया को मत दिखाओ. And I think a better PR move for Anant Ambani would have been had he gone to Manipur. That could have been a great PR move. I mean, yeah, fine, you're doing well for the animals. Why couldn't he go to Manipur? Like, you
I-
have so much money. How much Reliance is paying for the refugee crisis that's happening in Manipur right now?
Are you being like sarcastic?
No, genuinely. Like, you are doing PR stunts, right? You are saying that Anant Ambani is doing so much for animals. Why not do it for
No,
his
I
citizens?
think that painting Anant Ambani as a very good, uh,
Mhm.
very helpful, very nice
So Manipur
human
would have
being
been a
is a
great
no,
thing, right?
but that's it's a PR strategy also. I'm not
Of
saying that
course.
he's a bad man in reality.
Yeah, yeah,
I don't have an opinion. I could give a damn about him. He could give a damn about me.
yeah.
He doesn't care. He's sitting on piles of thousands of crores. But what I do want to say is that I think that it look the attempt to make Anantamani look like a really philanthropic, good individual is a crafted PR
Of
strategy.
course.
They can afford to do it, and they have been doing it.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, my whole idea is that on an average, also an Indian somewhere spends somewhere around $1,600 to $1,700 on wedding bonanzas, if I'm not wrong. On an average, if I'm not wrong, we'll check that up. And even if a person is middle income, they will always try to save up as much money as they can for their child's wedding, and that always leads to over expenditure, which basically means them spending really beyond their means. In fact, because most of India is still under the patriarchal norms, we still have a lot of pressure on the girl side of the family to save up and to spend most of their savings on the wedding, on the big fat Indian wedding, which is like a cultural and a social expectation out of them. So irrespective of Ambani spending so much money, an average Indian, a middle income Indian from a middle income group, would also end up spending a lot on a wedding, which could,
Relative to their income.
relative to their paying capacity.
Yeah, I mean, we like to create a bonanza out of weddings
Exactly.
anyway. But I think that I've already said that I understand a part of it. I understand that you need to make a spectacle out of events.
Yeah.
But what rubbed me the wrong way about the Mani wedding was that it wasn't stopping, and the celebrity bashing got a little too much after a point.
Yeah.
Like the wedding just kept going on and on
Yeah.
and on, and you have these uh, big concerts from stars that don't even resonate with a lot of masses in India. You have a cruise ship going to Italy where apparently a lot of actors are misbehaving. And why am I being fed all this information so much on my media
Fair
portals?
enough.
Does
So
Indian media not have anything better to cover?
to correct myself, it's an average Indian spends around $2,700, not $1,600. My bad, I apologize.
2700 US dollars.
27,000
27,000
US
dollars.
dollars,
Okay.
depending on the financial status of the family, on an
Right.
average.
So my core problem
Yeah.
here was that you want to do 2-3 lavish functions,
Yeah.
be by all means. Why are you not stopping, and why is so much repetitive media attention coming from it?
Mhm.
Does the Indian media not have anything better to cover?
Yeah.
मतलब कुछ भी दिखा दो यार, नया नया कैबिनेट फॉर्म हुआ है, मतलब आई वुड लिटरली वॉच Nitin Gadkari make road designs in his office for 2 hours straight, then watch Anant Ambani do another propaganda video with another cafe owner saying, "Oh, I love your food," or something like that.
Noam Chomsky manufacturing consent.
I mean, get a job, Indian media. And
Manufacturing
it's
consent, bro.
strange that Indian
This
media,
is their job, Raj. This is their job.
like the Indian media has work. It just chooses not to focus on it.
But that's the whole point. Like if all the Indians were shown the relevant things, then the great strategy of distracting the masses would fail.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not saying that. I'm just
theoretically you are quoting
Noam Chomsky, of course.
Yeah, who's a thorough intellectual.
Everyone knows Noam Chomsky. I think
Yeah,
everyone knows Noam Chomsky.
he's a thorough intellectual. He makes a lot of good points about linguistics,
Yeah.
about consent, about advertising, those kind of
Yes.
things. I think that we are in a phase in India where even having conversations about him is considered sacrilege, because people defend establishments and defend big
Mhm.
media platforms in India with so much love, जैसे कि आपको पैसे मिल रहे हो
जैसे
इन मीडिया हाउसेस से
And
भाई,
that's-
मतलब बंदा बेरोजगार पड़ा है, बैंक में 70 रुपए में, और वो डिफेंड कर रहा है अर्नब गोस्वामी को.
Yeah, Ravish
Bro,
Kumar.
he's a brave यार रवीश कुमार को.
Because it's the same thing.
We are not ideologically bound.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
I think the way people defend their ideological gurus, irrespective of which spectrum that they're representing, they defend them with equal ferocity and equal passion. भाई रवीश कुमार पैसे थोड़ी दे रहा है तुम्हें, या अर्नब थोड़ी पैसे दे रहा है
बंदा
तुम्हें.
राइट विंगर से लड़ाई कर रहा है, लेफ्ट विंगर से लड़ाई कर रहा है इतने पैशन के साथ कि ब्रो this is my culture, this is our sanskriti, or you know, a left winger is saying that you know you need better redistribution, look at this filthy rich wedding.
Yeah.
और दोनों के अकाउंट में 70 रुपए हैं. मतलब
Yeah.
I think that the real problem lies in people not knowing that the real conversation needs to be around ourselves and me. The point is that, and I know if these reels and our videos go around, people will say, अरे ये तो अंबानियों से जल रहा है, इसके पास पैसे नहीं है तो ऐसी शादी नहीं कर सकता. But the point is, there have been deaths in Hathras. 120 people got crushed by a stampede, and we spoke about them for less than 48 hours.
That's
and
true.
we watched a wedding go on for 6 months.
Yeah.
You know, there has been an impending NEET crisis. Millions and millions of students didn't get their undergraduate results on time, got stalled by a corrupt education process, by a corrupt recruitment process, and we chose to speak about a wedding for 6 months.
The entire UPSC structure has been compromised because of the enrollment that they're doing. Now the whole the whole idea of UPSC's credibility has also gone for a 6, which puts a big question mark about the people that they're recruiting. So yeah, I mean, it's a very sorry state of affairs that our country is going through, but still अनंत अंबानी की शादी.
मतलब आपको रियल इश्यूज पे फोकस करना
Yeah.
कब आएगा भाई?
Yeah.
I have nothing against Anant Ambani. I honestly think that I find his wedding with Radhika Merchant endearing. They actually look nice together.
Yeah.
But damn it, this is a complaint about the Indian media.
Yeah.
Put it to rest. Let it go. Cover the core issues. You know, you're living in a country where majority of our workforce is now a gig worker. There is a big unemployment problem. You open any economy page, half the articles are on unemployment. So it's not like parts of the media aren't covering it. We are just choosing to erase important issues out of public memory.
Yeah, I mean, to give you an example of how dire the situation is, that we stay very close to a go down run by Blinkit, and over there we see gig workers who are underpaid, overworked, overbooked,
बारिश में
and they're
चाहे winter हो,
हमेशा
बारिश हो.
हमेशा वहां पे कोई ना कोई लड़ाई चल रही होती है, किसी ना किसी के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही होती है. तो इसका कारण क्या है? What is the reason behind the frustration? Why aren't these topics being discussed by the mainstream media? हमारी literally so called best recruitment services UPSC, जिसको हम लोग इतना ज्यादा credible मानते थे, उसको लिटरली घुटनों पे ले आए हम लोग. उसके बारे में बात क्यों नहीं हो रही? Like हमें लगता था ना कि भाई, we always thought that it is like the pinnacle of credibility.
वो चलो UPSC की बात बाद में.
Yeah, of
That
course.
can be a different episode.
Yes.
But what I'm saying is
Uh.
that you have an internal security crisis in Manipur.
जम्मू में
have-
हर दिन अटैक हो रहे
You
हैं.
have more of our men getting attacked and ambushed in Jammu every other day.
Mhm.
You have extreme amounts of rain covering parts even of Bombay
Mhm.
at this moment. Assam has just come out of floods, and out of all these things in this whole frame, we have just mainly put this wedding on a platform. एक वो नाच के तौबा तौबा करके चला जाता है और एक वो शादी हो जाती है.
Yeah.
तो लोग इंडिया की मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया सारी पब्लिक पॉलिसी क्राइसिस ही भूल जाती है. आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड क्राइसिस because we are dealing with crises in multiples,
Yes.
and we haven't looked them in the eye. We haven't addressed anything. What we have addressed is how bad or how good Aishwarya Rai was looking at Anant Ambani.
और वो लाल कपड़े वाला कैसे नाच रहा था.
हाँ. भाई बंदा बेरोजगार बैठा हुआ है. फ्यूचर के बारे में उसका कुछ प्लान नहीं है. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को बहुत लोग एड्रेस कर नहीं रहे हैं, और उसके ऊपर बंदा सोच रहा है मुझे लग रहा है ना अभिषेक और ऐश्वर्या का डिवोर्स. पता है, आराध्या तो मम्मी से मिलने गई लेकिन वो पापा से बाद में मिलने नहीं
भाई
गई.
इंस्टाग्राम पे अभिषेक बच्चन ऐसे डिवोर्स वाली पोस्ट लाइक कर रहे हैं.
There was that movie clip. सारा देश करप्शन में डूब रहा है और ये साला पूछ रहा है कि क्रिकेट का स्कोर कितना हुआ. और फिर सारे आदमी उसको पागल समझ के सचमुच क्रिकेट का स्कोर देखने चले जाते.
अभी हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप भी तो जीते हैं. जो वर्ल्ड कप पता नहीं इतनी बार हमने कोशिश करी.
हाँ, और इस आई एम सॉरी ऐसे प्लीज बिहेव मत करो और नाटक मत करो जैसे आपने 50-50 वर्ल्ड कप जीत लिया. द रियल क्रिकेट इज इन अ ODI वर्ल्ड कप व्हिच यू लॉस्ट इन योर होम. We lost the 50-50 World Cup in Ahmedabad.
इतनी
I'm
सिचुएशन,
sorry, you don't have the right to
इतनी
celebrate.
सिनेरियो क्रिएट करी
the
ब्रो.
T20
इतनी
World Cup.
प्रो मतलब like you know the whole thing was literally given to us on a platter, and then even after that we lost bro. Like literally BCCI, ICC, BCCI, like ICC literally BCCI का पिट्ठू है अभी. Like literally वो तोते नहीं होते जो ऐसे कंधे पे चलते रहते हैं. वो literally ICC है. उसके बावजूद तुम्हें 11 साल लग गए वर्ल्ड कप जीतने में. लानत है भाई. Anyway, यही था. और कुछ बोलना है? बोल.
बोलना मुझे इतना ही है कि it's time that just for the sake of pretending to care about real issues we start talking about.
Of course, like us.
I don't think even we are doing a superb job.
We're
right now.
not.
But at least we're trying.
We're trying.
And I guess that's the core of our episode.
Because at the end of the day, the demographic group that we represent is also pretty far away from the reality
हाँ
of
यार,
this country.
हमने कब क्लेम किया कि हम इंडिया के स्पोक्स पर्सन हैं?
नहीं है.
और उसमें फिर हम लोगों को भी एटलीस्ट इतनी अवेयरनेस तो है ना कि
हाँ.
आप फिर भी एक देश में रहते हो जहाँ पे इनइक्वालिटी काफी हाई है.
हाँ.
आप फिर भी एक देश में रहते हो जहाँ पे लोग 500 करोड़ के नेकलेस पहन के घूमेंगे एक तरफ, और दूसरी तरफ एक गिग वर्कर 50-60 रुपए के लिए बारिश में अपनी जान की लड़ाई लड़ रहा है. तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो अनफेयरनेस दिखेगी.
और उसकी एक्सीडेंट हो रही है. एक्सीडेंट में अपनी उंगली खो रहा है.
I'm not at all a conventional socialist, so don't tag us as such. But there needs to be a re-evaluation of our thinking process just in terms of this. Small parts of socialist ideology were mainly driven just to prevent exploitation of workers. That small part is not really a bad thing.
That's not a bad
और
thing
हम
at all.
लोगों की कॉन्शियसनेस में वो नहीं आया है.
नहीं, आप इंडिया के बड़े बड़े कॉर्पोरेशंस को देख लें. एक कॉर्पोरेट हमारा कितना ज्यादा एक्सप्लॉइट करता है. आप राइट फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट लॉ टू कॉर्पोरेट ऑडिटिंग टू द बिग फोर, the kind of exploitation that's happening in India, it's absolutely bizarre that our labor laws are not getting a hold onto that. There is a very big big need for corporate regulation in India because ये आप 1 लाख महीने की सैलरी, 1.5 लाख महीने की सैलरी में जहाँ जहाँ आप चले जाते हैं काम करने के लिए, वहाँ पे आपको टेक्निकली मिलने चाहिए वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से, वर्ल्ड एवरेज के हिसाब से 15-15 लाख, मगर आप 1-1 लाख या 2-2 लाख में 15-15 लाख का काम कर रहे हैं इन फर्म्स के लिए। तो ये अपने आप को झूठ ना बोले कि जस्ट बिकॉज आपको 1 लाख रुपए मिल रहे हैं या 1.5 लाख रुपीज मिल रहे हैं, आप वही डिजर्व करते हैं, आप उससे ज्यादा डिजर्व करते हैं, और आपको वो मिल नहीं रहा है क्योंकि यू आर इन दिस एक्सप्लॉयटेटिव सिस्टम जो आपको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करता है कि यही आप डिजर्व करते हैं, आप उससे ज्यादा डिजर्व करते ही नहीं है। और आप 15-15 घंटे काम करेंगे, और अगर आप 15 घंटे काम नहीं करेंगे तो आपका बॉस आपको गाली देगा और आपको बोलेगा कि आप रिजाइन करें, और अगर आप रिजाइन नहीं करेंगे तो आपको फोर्सफुली निकाला जाएगा।
आपका पर्पस बड़ा है, किसी को ये मत बोलने दीजिए कि
Yeah.
आप बस इतनी बिना एनफोर्स्ड लेबर लॉज, बिना करेक्ट वर्किंग आवर्स, आप बस इतनी कम सैलरी के लायक हैं।
बिल्कुल
ये गलती आपकी नहीं, गलती एक सिस्टम की है। आप उस सिस्टम को पहचानना सीखिए और इस मीडिया के बनाए हुए डिस्ट्रैक्शन से बाहर आना सीखिए। अपने लिए थोड़ा संघर्ष करिए कि हम ओब्लिवियन में पीछे नहीं हट जाएंगे, हमें इरेज नहीं करा जाएगा, क्योंकि कॉस्ट of not discussing real issues is borne by you and me, the average people who have a lot in common with each other than we have with billionaires who can afford to invite celebrities for a 2-day wedding, you know. So start speaking out for each other and bring
Facts.
that into the mainstream of public policy.
I think we can
We
conclude
can
it. जय अंबानी। जय, अबे यार वो रेड वाला ना भाई, जो भी है भाई, तू प्लीज यार,
जय परशुराम।
जो भी रेड वाले में नाच रहा था, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट अगेन ब्रो, कम ऑन।
हर हर महादेव, जय परशुराम।
जय परशुराम।